Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Dothan Local and Long Distance Movers Near Me. Dothan, Alabama movers can assist with various aspects of the moving process, including packing, loading, transporting, unloading, unpacking, and additional services. It's essential to keep in mind that different movers could offer different services, so it's a good idea to look at and choose a business that can give the services you need. When it comes to hiring a freight moving company in Dothan, Alabama, 3 Movers is a popular choice for many individuals. Our reputation of providing top-notch moving services stands strong amongst our counterparts, so you should trust us for all your moving needs. If you reside in Dothan and want a skilled moving enterprise, you should consider 3 Movers. They offer services such as local moving, interstate moving, overseas moving, office moving, residential moving, crating and packing, automobile freight, storage, insurance. We are devoted to give you a smooth transition to your new home or office at 3 Movers. Having an expert mover such as 3 Movers come in and take over all tasks allied to your move allows your move to be accomplished securely and on time. Many people see moving as an opportunity to save money and therefore attempt to plan and execute the moves independently. Then again, can you disassemble all your furniture on your own? Can you load and unload all your items on your own? Do you even have a truck big enough to carry all your items? Most of the time, the answer is no. The tasks involved during a move are very strenuous and could even inflict bruises on your body. This is why you should go for an expert freight company such as 3 Movers. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.